Yoga, an ancient practice originating in India, has transcended centuries to become a global phenomenon celebrated for its holistic approach to health and well-being. Beyond the physical postures, yoga encompasses breath control, meditation, and philosophical principles that promote harmony between mind, body, and spirit. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the art of yoga, exploring its diverse practices and uncovering its myriad benefits for individuals of all ages and backgrounds. Understanding yoga. At its core, yoga is a practice that unites the body, mind, and breath through a series of postures, asanas, breathwork, pranayama, and meditation. The word yoga itself derives from the Sanskrit word yuru, meaning to yoke or unite, symbolizing the integration of various elements of the self. While yoga is often associated with flexibility and strength, its true essence lies in fostering self-awareness, inner peace, and balance.
Practicing yoga. Yoga can be practiced in various forms, ranging from gentle, restorative sessions to dynamic, vigorous practices. Some popular styles include Hatha, Vinyasa, Ashtanga, Kundalini, and Bikram, each offering unique approaches to movement, breath, and meditation. Beginners may find Hatha or gentle Vinyasa classes to be a suitable starting point, gradually building strength, flexibility, and mindfulness over time. Benefits of yoga: physical health, flexibility. Regular yoga practice improves flexibility by elongating muscles and increasing joint mobility, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing overall range of motion. Strength. Many yoga poses require engagement of various muscle groups, leading to improved strength and muscle tone, particularly in the core, arms, legs, and back. Balance and stability. Yoga poses often challenge balance and proprioception, enhancing stability and coordination, which are essential for preventing falls and maintaining mobility.
Mental well-being, stress reduction. The mindfulness aspect of yoga encourages present moment awareness, helping individuals to manage stress, anxiety, and overwhelm by cultivating a sense of calm and inner peace. Mental clarity. Practicing yoga enhances mental clarity and concentration, allowing practitioners to focus their attention and make decisions with greater ease and clarity. Emotional balance. Yoga provides a safe space for emotional exploration and release, helping individuals to process and cope with challenging emotions such as anger, grief, or fear. Sleep quality. Yoga promotes relaxation and regulates the nervous system, leading to improved sleep quality and insomnia relief for many practitioners. Spiritual growth. Connection to self. Through meditation and self-reflection, yoga fosters a deeper connection to one's inner self, facilitating personal growth, introspection, and self-discovery.
Compassion and empathy. Yoga philosophy emphasizes compassion, kindness, and non-judgment towards oneself and others, nurturing a sense of empathy and interconnectedness with all beings. Spiritual exploration. For those on a spiritual path, yoga offers a framework for exploring existential questions, connecting with higher consciousness, and experiencing moments of transcendence or unity. Conclusion. Yoga is not merely a physical exercise, but a transformative journey that encompasses the body, mind, and spirit. By embracing the principles of yoga and incorporating its practices into daily life, individuals can experience profound benefits that extend far beyond the yoga mat. Whether seeking improved physical health, mental well-being, or spiritual growth, the path of yoga offers a timeless wisdom and a pathway to holistic wellness for all who embark upon it.